Eye detection in AI Connect. To create a program to detect if the person in the image is wearing a sunglasses or not, detecting person's eyes, create a project in AI Connect. Create AI coding activity in this project. Then follow the given steps. Step 1. Drag and drop load image block from facial features subcategory mentioned under AI learning category. Step 2. From the logic category, take the if-do block and extend it with the else command. Step 3. Add equal to block in the blank space of if-do block. In equal to block, add numeric block 0 block on the right side. Add get face count block from facial features subcategory to the left side of equal to block. Then click on arrow of get face count block and select eye to make it get eye count block. Get eye count block is used to detect a person's eye. Step 4. Provide the output statement for the sunglasses worn or not. This result will be printed. The concept behind the following coding is, if the count of eye in the image is 0, the program should print the sunglasses worn, else print no sunglasses. Get eye count is equal to 0 means the person's eyes in the image are not visible. If a person is wearing the sunglasses, his or her eyes will not be visible. Step 5. Add show image without border block. Once the code is complete, follow the given instructions to upload the image. 1. Click on the load image block. 2. Click on the browse button to select the image from the system and click on submit. 3. After that, click on the run button and check the result.